Welcome back to another video. And this video will be a little bit different, as the title suggests. I'm going to be giving you everything you need in order to start trading. Like from yesterday you didn't know about trading or how to start trading, and by the end of this video you'll have all the things you'll need in order to start trading. So right away, without any intro or any fluff, the first thing you'll need is a broker, an account with a broker. For persons outside of the US, mainly for persons in the Caribbean, like Guyana, Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, other countries in the Caribbean, this broker works fine with banks in the Caribbean. Not all brokers accept banks, so some brokers you might have to deposit using crypto, or if you would like to use a broker that accepts most of the banks in the Caribbean, like Scotia, Republic, and in Guyana, this works fine with Demerara Bank. I'll leave the link to this broker in the description below, so you could go ahead and check them out. So after you found the broker you're using, or if you click on the referral link in the description, there's actually a 20% bonus for your first deposit. So I think it's up to $5,000 is their match. If you deposit, let's say for example $100, they'll give you $20 extra to trade with. So you can't withdraw this bonus, but it's an extra buffer, you have more funds to trade with. So yeah, clicking a referral link like the one in the description would take you directly to the registration page, where you would have to select your country of residence. In my case, that would be Guyana. Alright, so you enter your country, your email, and a password that is 6 to 15 characters long, uppercase and lowercase, and has at least one number. So after inputting your details, you click on I have read and accepted the privacy policy, and then register the account. Since I already have an account with them, I won't go ahead and register it, but after clicking on the register button, they'll send you an email for you to verify your email address with your MyHF account ID number that you will use to sign in to your dashboard with the broker. So once you get that confirmation email and you verify your email address with the broker, you can go ahead and log in. So you click on the login or visit the login page, and with the ID they sent to you in the email address, so it would be the second email. First email to confirm your email address, the second email with your MyHF account ID, and you're using the same password you use to register. So you enter your MyHF account ID and your password, and you click login. And after logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard with the broker. For the account bonus, you can click learn more, and it'll prompt you to create an account where when you deposit, they'll match your deposit up to 20%, where you can deposit and they'll match your deposit amount up to 20%. But we're focusing on creating a demo account for beginner traders. So once you're in your dashboard, you would want to come to the left hand side of the screen. If you're on mobile device, it would be the 4 squares at the top right hand side of your screen. But you would see this option appear after tapping it, and you would want to come down to where it says trading accounts and open demo account, since your account would not be verified as yet. If your account is not verified, you would see the option appear at the top to verify your account, or you can click right here and have your account verified, so you can open a live. But for the sake of this video, we'll just stick with demo, and we select the option to open a demo account. Then we're taken to this screen here with the different types of demo accounts we can open. I always suggest opening the demo premium, since, well, why not? But if you wish, you can go through the details of the different accounts and select which one is best for you. But for the sake of this video, we'll use the demo premium, and here we have the option to set up the demo account, as in which platform we would like the demo account to be on, whether it's MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I suggest using MetaTrader 5 because it's easier. Yeah, simpler to use, and it's like an updated version of MetaTrader 4. But account currency, we're going to leave that in USD, and leverage, we can also leave that at 1 to 500. For account balance, I always suggest opening the smallest account balance, since the average person wouldn't have 100,000 US dollars to fund their personal trading account. So 5,000 is more realistic. You will have a more realistic experience of how drawdown is, how holding your wins, seeing the numbers, getting accustomed to the emotional side of Forex is very important as well. So having the most realistic approach when you are demo trading is advised. So we'll go ahead and complete this by just checking this box and click on open demo account. After opening the demo account, they'll send you an email with the login credentials for your demo account so you can sign into your MT5. I'll go over to the email address where I can show you an example of the email they sent you. Alright, so now we're in the email that they sent with the login information for the demo account, and on here there are three main things that we look for in order to sign into our MT5. That would be the server, the account number, and the trader's password. So those are the only things that we're focusing on for this email in order to sign into our MT5. If you are logging in on mobile, then I'll leave a timestamp below where you could just skip forward and see me log into it on the mobile device. But for desktop, you would need to open your MT5, and if you don't already have MT5 installed on your computer, then I suggest downloading it from the broker's website. I'll show you how now. So in order to download MetaTrader 5 for your desktop, if you don't already have it, you simply sign into your dashboard with the broker, like where we are now. And at the top hand side you will see about 6 squares. You can tap on it and the drop down appears with, you select platforms under trading tools, and you'll be taken to this page here where if you scroll down a bit you will see the different options in the paragraph here. MetaTrader 4 if you are downloading MetaTrader 4, and MT5 if you're downloading MetaTrader 5. So you simply tap on MetaTrader 5 and you will be taken to this page where if you scroll down a bit you'll see the option to download MetaTrader 5, and you simply follow the instructions to install it onto your PC. Great, so once installed you will want to go ahead and open the app, and it will look more or less like this. Because of the fact that it's new, your screen will be green and black. You'll have 4 separate screens. You can just go ahead and close out 3 and maximize one of them, and it'll just be one screen on here. And in order to edit it, you can right click and scroll down to properties and customize your charts whenever you're ready to do so. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to show you how to sign in to your demo account that you created with the broker. So immediately once you open the app, you will actually have a prompt to log in to any existing account or new account that you have. Or you can simply come over here at this option where we have on the navigator where it says accounts. You can right click on accounts and it says log into trade account. You select that one, and at this point we would need to go back to the email and copy the server name. So HF Markets Global Demo, we copy the server name, then back to the app, paste the server name, back to the email, copy the account number, back to the app, paste the account number where it says login. So the server goes where it says server, login ID goes where it says login, and password, so the trader's password goes where it says password. Once all your information is in, you can check this box to save your password, so anytime you close the app you don't have to sign back into your account. And then you click OK.
Incoming mail.
And those sounds are all sounds that you would want to hear, because that means your login was successful, you didn't enter any wrong information or so, and you can now trade whichever pair you were interested in trading. So if we look to the bottom left of the screen where it says trade, you'll want to click there, and then you'll see your account balance, your equity, and the margin on the account as well. So that would be it for the login on the desktop MT5. Let's head over to the mobile version of MT5 so I can show you how we log in there using the information in the email on there as well. Alright, so now that we're on mobile, the only two apps we'll need are the MT5 and your email to sign into the broker. So you'll go ahead and open up your email address and locate the email. Yeah, you'll locate the email that the broker sent, and just like on the desktop, we'll copy the name of the server and paste it into our MT5. So we go to the top, and the option that appears, we tap on it. And since it's a demo, the first thing we need to do is change the server from live to demo. Then we want to head back to the email and copy the account number at the top and back to our MT5 app and paste it where it says login. Then back to the email once more for the trader's password. Copy and paste it back in our MT5. And then once we're done, we simply tap login. And you can see there I am now inside of my demo account, and at the bottom of the screen where it says trade, I can tap and see my balance, equity, and margin. At the bottom left I can see the different quotes. Let's see, GU for example. I simply tap and hold and I'll see this pop-up appear, and where it says chart, simply tap there and I'll get to view the charts as they are on TradingView as well. So I hope this video was helpful to someone that needed help signing into their MT5 or creating an account with the broker. If anyone needs a subsequent video showing you how we use MT5 on both mobile and desktop, then you can let me know in the comments. And yeah, that'll be all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one for sure. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are interested in joining any of the free communities that I have on Telegram, the links will be in the description below. All right, bye.
Bye, have a great time.